This is Governor Westmore. All right. I asked for exoneration of the Supreme Court. That's Nick Mosby and Marilyn Mosby. We talking about corruption. Get caught, get cuffed. All right. Monopoly, the Cheaters Edition. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation cotton for cocaine, and you made our black community the cash crop. You know what I'm saying? You made our black community the cash crop. That's Delegate Stephanie Smith. That's Governor Larry Hogan and Al Redmer. That's President Biden and the Department of Justice. That's President Obama. That's the Afro-American newspaper. That's Eric Barron and the Department of Justice. I never got a trial. 07CF4988. I never got a trial. I went home on vacation and came back on probation. I'm not Emmitt Till. That's Eric Holder in the Department of Justice. Like I said, we playing Monopoly, the Cheaters Edition. The 13th Amendment, the black bodies that y'all lock up. See who that is? Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. That black girl magic caused a lot of black men pain. That's Jimmy Britton. And that's the IRS. We talking about $250 million in intellectual property theft. That's Kai Jackson, Mary Bubala, Fox 45. Like I said, I'm a whistleblower. I'm a whistleblower on Maryland's prison industry and the money you make off black bodies. That's Adrian Jones, Stephanie and Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake, Jack Young. That's Corey McCrae. Racism don't work without black cooperation. We got black bodies selling black communities into slavery. That's Senator Ben Cardin. In regards to your documentary, I would not be able to appear. The documentary is about Marilyn Mosby, Nick Mosby, the Maryland Black Caucus. It's about black leadership. Shannon Sneed, Judge Bell. I'm the cook in Baltimore, and I'm getting ready to cook y'all up. Y'all kidnapped me from my family. Like Emmitt Till, you stole me from my people. You stole me from my people. That's Senator Van Hollen. That's Doc Cheatham. That's Kwaise. And Kwaise asked for an investigation. Congressman Cummings asked for an investigation. Nobody did nothing. You feel me? That's the United States Senate. My store on Falls Road. This is it. It's a ghetto Da Vinci Code. They will congratulate a person doing the same thing as you, just not you, just because it's you. And right here, Thomas Saunders, my lawyer. My lawyer participated in fraud. That's the ACLU. Miss Gion from the ACLU. We're talking about slavery in the 21st century. Slavery then and slavery now. That's Natasha Diggs, public defender. All right? And this is the Constitution. First Amendment, freedom of speech. That's Governor O'Malley. I put a toilet in front of the Towson courthouse to expose the corruption in the Governor O'Malley's administration. That's Scott Shellenberger. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. Shorty, pull your mask up? No. This case right here. Judge Turnbull ordered my property be returned. It ain't been returned yet. That's the toilet I put in front of Towson. And it exposed the corruption, the racism, the treatment of black people. I'm an activist in Baltimore. The best of the best. That's Joshua Harris and Raleigh from the NAACP. That's Pam Woods from Baltimore Banner. That's Eric Barron from the Department of Justice. We talking about voter suppression in the 2014 elections. Y'all had us taken off the ballot. Dave Davis 2014. See that? Any person born naturalized in the United States subject to the jurisdiction. That's the 14th. The 14th Amendment. These amendments are the laws that you broke. Like I said, it's a gay law. Out for justice. That's President Trump. And that's Shorty. All right? We talking about voter suppression for the Democratic Party. That's States Attorney Marilyn Mosby. That's Chief Justice Mary Barbera. And that's Ivan Bates. And he got this evidence. He got everything. Department of Justice, movie release. Marilyn Mosby, movie release. And Ivan Bates. That's Governor Hogan. And we're going to show you hidden assets. You're talking about voter suppression. That's the state of Maryland. Lieutenant Governor. Certificate of Designation of Consent. All right? Brian Faith, Dwayne G. Davis. Notarized. Received. Y'all know who he is. That's Senator Sidnor. So Governor Westmore, what you gonna do? We went from enslavement to mass incarceration. And y'all make a lot of money off of black bodies.